This video is going to show you how to make Cinnamon-Raisin Babka really easy. First, you have a loaf of frozen white bread. You unthaw it, press it out. Then we have a cup of raisins. And to it, we're going to put a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just put it right in there. Then we're going to sprinkle cinnamon all over this bread. Then we're going to take the raisins that we just put lemon juice on, put them on the bread. Okay. That lemon juice just soak right in there. Then we're going to roll it up. Just real simple. Tuck in the sides, keep rolling it up. Tuck in the sides, roll it up. Tuck in the sides, roll it up. Then we're just going to knead it all the way around. Just going to knead it up. See how the raisins and cinnamon get all mixed up in there? I'm just going to knead it all up in there. Just going to mix it all up in there. And we have a Bundt pan already greased with Crisco to put this in. I'm just going to knead it up. And then stretch it out and put it in the pan. Just keep rolling it out, stretching it so we can put it in the pan. Pan is right over here. Like I said, we already have it greased. All you do is keep pulling on the dough and stretching it out so it goes all the way around. Till it meets on the other side. Just press it down. Pinch it together. Press it down. Just pinch it together. Press it down all the way around. Then we're going to leave it in here to raise till it doubles its size. Then we'll bake it at 350 for about 25 minutes. After you let your dough raise for twice its size and bake it for 25 minutes on 350, here is your raisin bread babka. That's what it looks like after you cut it. See the nice designs from the Bundt pan. Hope you enjoy my easy babka. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.